Clayton on trumpet, Herbie Green on trombone, O.C. Johnson on drums, Little Jazz, Roy Eldridge on trumpet, Buster Bailey on clarinet, the greatest stars of jazz in America on the television jazz show that reaches the largest audience in the world, over 30 nations. It is spontaneous, unrehearsed, here on Jazz Party, presented by Westinghouse. By the way, tonight's guest critics on the Westinghouse Jazz Trophy Committee are George Avakian, who's sparking the jazz sessions for the new Warner Brothers record company, Jack Mahar, editor of Metronome magazine and the Jazz Reviewer, and Bob Sylvester, that wonderful jazz buff, and of course the famous columnist on the New York Daily News. All watching at home. Somewhere along the line they'll pick out a great solo and we'll award the Westinghouse Jazz Trophy. Of course that's pretty tough work because every man here tonight is a champ and they sound it already. Buster Bailey, who's over there in the vicinity of our friend John Guarneri on piano, was born in Memphis. He's been playing about 40 years. He worked with W.C. Handy, came to New York with Louis Armstrong to join Fletcher Henderson's great band. Of course, he was famous for his work with John Kirby's little outfit. Currently at the Metropole with Red Allen, Mr. Buster Bailey, who's just about the best in the business. Might be persuaded to do something right now. I wouldn't be surprised.